Ukuvotwa kwenyulo lovalo Sikhewu kuward 24 eFreedom Park kuqalisile namhlanje. Uceba wangaphambili wadutyulwa wabhubha ngoFebruwari walonyaka, nto leyo eshiye uluntu lungenaceba. Uceba osandula ukonyulwa okanye uceba ozokonyulwa kulindele ukuba ajongane nokukhawuleza ngengxaki ezigxamisekileyo kula mmandla ezifana nolwaphulo-mthetho oluxakileyo kunye nokushokoxeka kweziseko.
Kuzokhumbuleka ngenyanga yaNhlolanja kuwona lo nyaka 2025 kuye kwadutshulwa ikhansela lakuward 24 endaweni yaseFreedom Park, kanti namhlanje liqale ngempumelelo ukhetho lwamawadi ukuzoqoka ikhansela elisha njengoba le ndawo isihlale izinyanga ingenalo ikhansela.
Today it's a by-election since there's been a tragedy that happened in the ward somewhere in February this year, 2025, wherein a councillor of the ANC was gunned down, and we mourned. But of course, IEC processes forced us to have a by-election and quickly replace. So we have complied with all that process, and now here there are 5 candidates or 5 parties that are contesting. Yeah, the ANC, I won't mention others.
Izinhlangano ziphume ngomningi bazo ukuzokweseka lolu khetho sithi zikulungela ukwamukela ikhansela elisha njengoba bekhala ngezingqinamba ababhekene nazo endaweni.
We want to encourage abantu base Freedom Park. It doesn't take much to see that there's no service delivery here. We are Zambela, there are dump sites everywhere. The roads are not fixed, the potholes, the sewer leaking all over the place. Everything is just not going well. The system is entirely collapsed here. And so now we want to assure the people that the vote for Umkhonto weSizwe is a vote for progressive change.
The unemployment lesibonayo necrime ekhona kule ndawo cabanga ukuthi mebevote kahle bavotele IFP usuku la lokugcina namhlanje. Sikhuluma ukuthi suka kusasa kuyaphambili bazobe bembone esebenza njengokhansela. Kodwa konke kulele kubantu. Babanikile abanye ithuba abasizakalanga.
Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingonobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngise Freedom Park.